Hello everyone, I am here with my Bespoke unboxing video here. I actually have November's and December's because I never got around to opening up December. Just in case you didn't know, Bespoke is a gentleman's monthly subscription. I do order it for my husband. However, one of my kids is here to help me with this. Say hello, Aaron.
Hello.
So we're going to open up November's first.
Got it.
Okay, let's see. Wolf Project Hydrating Face Mask Sheet. Tea tree extract from Switzerland. Nice. Okay, and the product is a cable knit sweater.
It's a really nice color too.
Most of the items from Bespoke are smaller companies. So like you don't get stuff from like Nike or something like that. It's just smaller companies that you might not even know exist. Let's have a look at that sweater.
Comes with a little piece of paper inside.
Okay, the company is Line of Trade. I did order it in 2X.
It's a nice navy color.
Yeah, this is really nice.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see any cleaning instructions on it, but I'll let you have a look at the...
Maybe it comes on the...
Oh yeah, I see what you mean. But let's take a look at that knit work. That is nice. But it is really, really nice. It does say that it's made in...
wait, hold on.
Is there something on there that I missed?
No, wait. That's just, I'm a little bit fried. Have a look at this.
This is the face mask. It's not very often that you see face masks specifically designed for men.
Okay, so this says that they recommend you to take it to the dry cleaner.
Okay. It's probably wool then.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it feels like the real deal.
Yeah, definitely. It definitely feels like wool, or a wool cotton blend.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't feel like it's acrylic, you know, that, the yarn that's like shiny that we like to knit with or crochet with.
Yeah.
Definitely not that. It definitely feels like a really nice wool sweater. Okay, let's have a look at the December's box.
Oh, and don't even think about sticking me up on a hanger. That'll leave weird bumps on my shoulders. Maybe yours too.
It actually says that?
Yes.
Okay. We'll have to keep that card for Dennis.
Okay. It's box time.
Okay, this is the December box.
Alright. I'm going to gently tip you on your side. Come here, you.
You can be a little bit aggressive with it if you have to be.
Let's try the other way. I wanted to do this. Trying gracefully.
Did you get the second one?
Not yet. Almost.
Okay, let's see what we have. It's like some little solar panels. Solar helix. Origami solar lantern.
Ooh, that seems really cool.
That looks cool.
Military compass. Rugged metal case.
Okay. Hey, could you open this? This company's called Wern.
Wren.
Oh, Wren.
It was upside down.
Oh.
That feels like real metal right there.
Oh. It is. It's a little, to measure. That's definitely metal.
Let's have a look inside.
That is nice.
Yeah. It
What's
doesn't
interesting?
have the trying to figure out the word. Certain compasses, they like wiggle whenever you move
yeah,
them.
it's like tight.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay, this looks like, ooh, Swedish. Looks like a blade.
Okay. Open it up. Let's have a look. Nice. Nice.
The handle's,
Plastic.
yes, but it also,
Has grip.
yeah, it's pretty nice and ergonomic.
Cool.
It clicks into place.
Made in Sweden. What else do we have?
Starter stone.
Nice.
Mind if I ever read? Ruler, steel, rod, magnesium, zinc, copper. There's nothing on the back.
Yeah, it's pretty typical for one of these. You just kind of scrape it and then it causes
Fire?
yeah.
Okay.
Well, it causes spark is what it does. A coupon?
Nice. I like the shade of green on that too.
What's interesting is that this is all stuff that, in this particular box, stuff that I would end up using. Da's not an outdoorsy kind of person, but I am, so. Trifold camp shovel.
Also made by Wren. Oh, this one needs me to cut it open. I have to do it with my nail. Or I could just peel it off. This is fine. Come on. You need a knife. Yeah.
Here.
Oh, we have a knife. Oh, wow.
That is sweet.
Yeah, it is. Oh, wait, that might be backwards. It clicked last time, so I wasn't sure. Alright. This thing's hefty.
Definitely metal. Is there some sort of instruction?
Trifold design for easy storage. Locking collar. That's solid metal piece right there.
It's probably just a little bit tight. Yeah, it's just a little bit tight.
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a look.
I think it's twisted.
It has some sort of a twist to loosen it, probably to open it, and then tighten it down.
Yeah. Because it did say that it was locking. And then it... Do I have it backwards?
No.
Oh, I see. It's just a little bit difficult to open and close because I'm weak.
Yeah, I think you have to unscrew it. Whichever way it was to unscrew it.
We could just open it back up and have a look. Yeah, that's
Okay.
loose. Okay. This way to
Tightens it.
tighten it. And then the washer right here holds it snug.
It's a nice little shovel. It's not sure how long it is, but yeah, that's definitely a nice little camping shovel.
It looks, just eyeballing it, it looks to be just short of 2 feet long.
Let's have a look if it has anything. Less than 2 pounds. Folded length 9.25 inches. Unfolded length 23 inches.
Yeah, so just short of 2 feet.
Nice eye.
Thanks.
Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. And this was for November and December. Hope you guys have a great week.